Hello and welcome to Applied Programming in Python. My name's Todd Dole. I'm the department chair for computer science here at Hardin-Simmons. Currently, as of the time of recording this video in fall of 2025, I'm in my second year of teaching here at Hardin-Simmons, and I'm obviously the instructor for this course. I'm really excited that you're here and that I get to help you learn the Python language, and for many of you, learn how to code for the first time. I wanted to just take a little bit of time to introduce myself before we dig into the syllabus and go over the course outline. Um, so I learned coding at a pretty young age. I think it was around third grade when I started teaching myself to code. We had an Apple II computer in our classroom at school, and I was the kid who stayed in at recess and sat in front of the computer and programmed on it. And by the time I was in high school, I was working as a software developer part-time while I was finishing school. My first real job was writing code for nuclear reactors and nuclear research. Obviously, in high school, I didn't know a whole lot about the nuclear side of things, but I worked with some very knowledgeable nuclear physicists and helped them with the code side of the work that they were doing. I studied computer science as an undergraduate at Taylor University. But then as I was working through that process and growing, I sensed a call from the Lord to pastoral ministry as well. And so I worked in software development as a software engineer, system administrator, database administrator, as I was working my way through seminary and for a few years after. And then since then, I've been sort of back and forth at different times throughout my career between pastoring and working in the software engineering industry. So I've served as a pastor in Texas and Oklahoma, and I've worked a bunch of different jobs in the software industry, both on small teams and large teams. And one of the things that really excites me about teaching here at Hardin-Simmons is it's really, I think, the first opportunity in a long while that I've had to kind of engage both sides of those things at the same time. So I really do see this work here teaching you all as a ministry and an opportunity to use some of the pastoral skills and gifts that God has given me to shepherd you and to help you. But obviously, it's also very technical, and I get to play with the technology side as well in my teaching. I've been using Python for 4 or 5 years now, and it's quickly become one of my favorite languages. I am a certified Python programmer for about 3 years, and I've come to use it more and more, both in personal projects and in work. Python is a wonderful language. It's very approachable for beginners. It's very easy to learn the basics and kind of get up to speed. If you've never done any programming before, it's a great language to learn to code on. But it's also a very powerful language and a very flexible language, and it's got the power to do some really advanced work. And it's become very much the go-to language in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning and computer vision, robotics, and these are things that I'm all professionally interested in and continuing to explore and do research and develop. And so Python has quickly become my preferred language to use for that kind of work. A bit about my personal life. I'm married to a wonderful lady named Jill, and I hope that you will have a chance to meet her at some point. I have 4 children. 2 of them are in college, and 2 of them are still at home, still in school. With the little bit of spare time that I have, I like to do hard things, and especially endurance athletics. So I like to swim and bike and run. I do Ironman triathlons. I do ultra marathons, trail races. Um, Pretty much anything outside that takes a long time and is physically challenging and demanding. I enjoy doing that stuff. And so if you spot someone swimming laps in the pool here at Hardin Simmons or running around campus, there's a good chance it might be me. I am really excited to spend this time with you this semester, and I really want to say at the outset that I kind of hate this online format. I would much rather be able to sit down with you all and uh, teach face to face and hear your feedback and your questions. But I will say that I understand, it's a super convenient format for you all. The online aspect is something that I know is really appealing to students, and I understand that. I've been there. I've taken online classes, and I've appreciated the flexibility that the asynchronous nature gives, being able to do all the work kind of at your own pace on your own schedule. And so we're going to do our best to make it through with this format, but give you the best educational experience that I can. That said, I would really love it if y'all would come by my office at some point, drop in during my office hours, or if you see me there outside of office hours, I'm happy to chat with y'all at any time. Come by to talk about code, to talk about Python if you want, or just to talk about life. I love chatting with students and would love to chat with you about whatever is going on, whatever you would like to talk about. So please make yourself welcome in my office and come by at any time. And I'll look forward to getting to meet you face to face and being able to put a face to your name. All right, thank you. In the next video, we'll pick back up with an overview of the syllabus and kind of the structure of the course. Thank you.